everybody and welcome back to Friday's Couch Talk. There's just a couple of things that I want to chat to you all about firstly. One of them is all of our specials and promos that we have been running for the last week. So our promos are going to continue and the specials that will continue up until this Sunday, the 23rd. So definitely jump straight on our website, check out some great kits like this Imagination Art Glitter Kit that we have and a lot of others that are ready to go with some great savings. So you will find those in the specials category of the website. Alternatively, we have a lot of other promos that we've popped back on and that's under the promotion section of the website. If not, we do have still 18% off and that's using our discount coupon EOFY, so don't forget to pop that into the coupon section when you're at the checkout. Apart from all of these great deals that we've got going on, I've got a workshop here in our showroom and in the training room. It's this Monday, the 24th. So it runs from 10 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We go through a lot of troubleshooting and using all of our products, whether it be slick pour, our airbrush, or even just revisiting a lot of things like our reverse application and some great electric filing techniques. So I hope that I can see everybody here. It is a free workshop, so everybody is able to attend and we will have some massive sales on the day. So it's a great time to do some shopping. We've also got in our weeks to come, we will have, and you've probably all seen the teasers, for our new Synergy Gel and Gel Light. So definitely stay tuned. Keep watching on all our social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or on our YouTube channel for when we're going to be doing our pre-launch, because we will do some very good deals. Apart from all of that, I hope you all have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you all here on Monday at 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching everybody and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and definitely keep watching our YouTube channel, which is YN Australia. Thank you everyone.